If you want to write vertically in LibreOffice Writer, this tutorial is going to show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Vertical text can be really useful for labels, side notes, design elements, tables, posters, and any document where you want your text to stand out. And the best part is, you do not need any complicated tools or advanced formatting tricks to make it happen. I'll walk you through the whole process clearly so you can follow along even if you're a beginner. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, you'll usually see the Start Center where you can choose what kind of file you want to create. On the left side, under Create, click Write a Document. This opens a new blank document where we can set up the vertical text. Now, at the top of the screen, look for the menu bar and click Insert. From the Insert menu, choose Text Box. This is the key step because LibreOffice Writer does not typically let you simply type vertical text directly into the page the way you would with normal horizontal text. Instead, we create a text box first and then rotate it. After selecting text box, your mouse pointer will change and you can draw the text box on the page. Click and drag to create a box in the size you need. Don't worry too much about making it perfect right away because you can adjust it later. Once the box is placed, click inside it and type the text you want to appear vertically. At this point, your text is still horizontal, which is completely normal. The next step is what turns it vertical. Right-click directly on the border of the text box. Make sure you click the edge of the box, not just inside the text. When the context menu appears, click Position and Size. This opens a settings window where you can control the object's placement, size, and rotation. In the Position and Size window, look for the Rotation tab. Click that tab and you'll see an option for setting the angle. To make your text appear vertically, set the rotation angle to 90 degrees or 270 degrees. Which one you choose depends on which direction you want the text to read. A 90-degree rotation usually turns the text one way, while 270 degrees flips it the opposite way. If the direction looks backward or upside down, simply go back and switch the angle. Once you've entered the rotation angle you want, click OK. LibreOffice will apply the changes and your text box will now appear vertically on the page. You may need to click and drag the box slightly to position it exactly where you want it. You can also resize it if the text needs more room or if you want a cleaner layout. And that's really all there is to it. Using a text box and the rotation settings is the simplest way to write vertically in LibreOffice Writer. This method is great because it gives you more control over the exact position, size, and direction of your text. If you want to use vertical text for a title, sidebar, label, or creative document layout, this trick works really well. You can repeat the same process anytime you need another vertical text box. Just insert a new text box, type your text, and rotate it again. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you know when new tutorials are posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.